Get the quality pressure vessels your business needs from Modern Welding Company, a leading manufacturer in the pressure vessel industry with fabrication subsidiaries nationwide. With nearly a century of pressure vessel experience, we can take on your project with confidence to get the job done right. As a certified pressure vessel manufacturer under the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Modern Welding can produce storage and process vessel solutions for a variety of industries. Modern Welding's pressure vessels can be found in industries such as aerospace, chemical processing, power generation, refining and petrochemical, water treatment, and many more. All of our ASME pressure vessels meet the Section 8 Division 1 code and are customizable to meet your project's needs. Modern carries a U-Stamp certification to build new pressure vessels as well as an R-Stamp certification to perform repairs and alterations to existing pressure vessels. Professional analysis software coupled with the latest welding technology ensures that each vessel is thoroughly analyzed and skillfully crafted by the best in the trade. All non-destructive examination is overseen by in-house Level 3 technicians and AWS Certified Welding Inspectors. Modern Welding's vessels can withstand extreme internal pressure and temperature, yet are suitable to endure harsh external conditions. When your business relies on the superior quality and durability of a specialty crafted vessel, look no further than Modern Welding. Visit modweldco.com to see a full list of our products and to find a subsidiary nearest you.